All right, Sunday, May 19th. We're out in western Oklahoma right now, in the town of Roll, Oklahoma.
Well, that's getting better looking by the minute. Look at the structure. See
A moderate risk day, slight risk day down here in western Oklahoma. The 5%, broad 5% tornado potential. Watching a tail end supercell develop here. Just got to get the base down. It's going to be moving in much better air. It's currently in low 60s dew point air, and will be moving into upper 60s, 70 dew point air, as it heads about 2.5 counties east of here towards evening.
Thing is getting ready to maybe do something here in a minute. We don't want to do it on top of our heads.
No, it was my
All right, you gotta just tell me where to go.
We are gonna go back to 283 and let's go south
Well, that's beautiful.
and get over towards Strong City. Oh, look at a cascading motion going in there.
Just keep watching.
Precip cores. Precip is wrapping around that lowering right there. Boy, that's a danger sign. Oh yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you see debris swirls or a funnel holler? Folks in the back of all the vans, if you see any debris swirl or a funnel starting to do something in there, and we don't want to miss it. We don't want to get behind it. Okay, back to the main road and east. Let's get back ahead of this thing. Very large tornado. It's on the ground. We just saw a cone coming down through there, so let's see what we can find. Damn it, I knew it. And it was just so fast.
You did know it was there.
So fast a rapid rain.